English conversation between two friends. Hello, John. How are you? I am fine. And you? I am fine too. What are you doing? Now I am reading the English newspaper. You are Indian, but why do you read English newspaper? Because I want to learn English. But tell me detail about this. You know that English is an international language. It is the official or semi-official language of more than 60 countries and of many international organizations. Absolutely, you are right. Now I have decided that I will must learn English. Good decision. You glad to know that about 350 million people speak English as a first language and other 300 million people use it as a second language. You said the truth. If you know my wish, I want to be highly educated. You must know English because all the books on higher education is written in English. So higher education is impossible without English. Yes, I know. English will help us to get good jobs and better salaries. Thank you for your good advice. Now I have to go. Okay, all the best. Welcome.